Hi, and welcome to this introduction and installation tutorial for Diacrit, an app that allows you to share bookmarks from your mobile phone with Claude Code running in your terminal. This video will focus on iPhone. As you can see, Mac, Linux, and Windows are supported. Let's install for Mac today. The first step is to download on the App Store. This is what Diacrit on the App Store looks like. Scroll down and copy this one-line installation command. Paste this into your terminal. This installs the plugin and runs the connect command. Start Diacrit on your mobile phone. Tap Get Code. Enter the code into Claude Terminal. Claude will ask you what you want to call your computer. I've chosen Silver as the computer name. As you can see, the Diacrit app is now connected to my computer, Silver. Go back to the home screen, select Safari. It would be great if I could discuss this blog post with Claude when I'm back on my laptop. Click this button, click Share, select Diacrit, and there it is, it's saved. Later, when I'm back on my laptop, I click the Diacrit menu option, and I can see that iPhone has a bookmark saved. If I click on this, it opens a terminal, and it runs the Diacrit ls command to view my iPhone. And there it is, yes, to download. I've taken something that I saw on my phone, shared it with the Diacrit app. I get a summary from Claude Code in my terminal, and that information is now saved on my laptop. Diacrit has got a few commands that you can run from your terminal, but the easiest way is by clicking on the menu bar. You can access your accounts or add a new account. If you decide that Diacrit is not for you, just tap the Delete My Data button, delete, and then everything on the server will be removed. Thank you very much for watching this demo. The Android version will be coming out soon.